magandang araw mga kapwa. Ngayon, today, I gonna cook my own style of beef pochero or nilagang baka. This is the beef. I wash it properly with salt and hot water. That's why you will see no more blood. And the ingredient that I put in my beef pochero is kamatis, tomato, sibuyas, and garlic, onion, and the gulay is sorry, this is sweet potato and potato, banana, repolyo, pitsay, and bagyo pitsay. Maybe you guys, you ask why I put this sweet potato in my pochero or nilagang baka. I want to put this because this one is sweet together with this banana. So when you drink, the soup is like sweet from the natural. And this one, green chili, onion spring, I open it like this so that clean it properly. And this one, celery from my garden. And also this one, star anise, and pamintang buo, star anise. I wanna put that. As you see, I don't use any kind of things, so I always have this kind. So now first, I gonna put this here inside of the caldero, and then next, my hand is clean. I put this inside. And some of yan. So don't worry about this. It's very clean and I wash it properly and dry it. So I put it there. And my onion, garlic, and this one. Okay, so then I'm gonna put this patis. This is light sauce. This is not alcohol, you know. This is light sauce. I put it there together like this, and some salt. Okay, and then I will put water on it. Okay, water, and I will cover it. Sorry. Okay. We will cook this 30 to 35 minutes. Then before this, another ingredient. So I will on it. Pressure cooker. Okay, so later I will put this. Sorry for the noise. It's raining now. Now we're going to check our cooking. Now I'm gonna check my beef if it's soft or not. Okay, so soft na siya. So now what can I do? I remove this. With a bit hot. I will remove, put here. Then we will take something like this now. This little, the soup is kunti lang, little bit soup. We need to put more soup. But first, I'm gonna put this inside this sweet potato. This sweet potato. I rinse in water like this. And this is patatas, potatoes, like that. Lot of vegetable because this vegetable is so nice for the when you make beef. It's nice to put more vegetable. Now the banana. Okay. Then I'm going to mix them. Wow, it's a lot. Like this. Then I will going to put more hot water. This is boiling water. Boiling water. Then we will cover this 10 minutes to get soft this gulay, the vegetable. I'm going to cover it again. Then later when I check, then I put all this gulay, the vegetable. So I'm gonna cover it. So now I will on the fire in medium heat. At the same time, I'm gonna cook our rice here. This is our rice. Yeah. Rice and beef for lunch. Now I gonna open again to put the vegetable. Must be careful. By the way, this pressure cooker, if hot, you cannot open it. Otherwise, it will exploring. You must not hot. Then you open. So this is now. Wow, look at that. So now I'm gonna taste. Yes. Mamaya na. So I on the fire. I on the fire to put the gulay. This is how we sit. And the gulay you must wash properly, and also important that when you wash gulay, vegetable, you must rub your hands here like this because some the dirty is here, and you must like this. But this one already clean and I wash my hands. So now I gonna put there. This is lot of gulay, you know, lots of vegetable. And this one put one side here, one side like that. And the cabbage, this is repolyo. If you see it, I cut it like this, so I will put here diamond style cut. Joke. Important when before you touch your vegetable, you must wash your hand. Okay, so I will just like this. I cover for 3 minutes. Then I will last I'm going to put this chili and green onion and this celery before I serve it, and I will put on top before I serve the beef. Now I check again. Start boiling already, so I will put this chili, celery and spring onion, and then I switch off like that. So the vegetable is not so overcooked, Then now is ready to serve. Wait lang pala. I put little bit of the how to call this? Patis. Excuse me. Sorry. Add some more of cracked paminta. Then serve. So now, I'm going to serve. Sorry. And bring inside and ready for lunch. Okay. Look at this. Vegetable is not overcooked. Like that. This one, they are still look green. Okay. So, now I am going to put here and ready to eat. First, vegetable here. Some vegetable. Some beef. Then some beef. It's like that now. By the way, this is my celery. And this one is long spring onion. Yeah, that's it. I will just put them here kasi I cook close. So I will just cut from here. Yes, this is the finished product. And this is my healthy cooking. I mean, this is my own style. So, it's depend on you, you know, if you want to cook like this or up to you. Just use your own style. I always say this is my own style. And thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Thank you sa mga subscriber. Thank you very, very much.